welcome to today's video. Today I'll be starting a new series called as Declutter My Life. I have taken inspiration from Angela Braniff. I'm sure you know her already. Her channel is This Gathered Nest. If you haven't checked her out, you must. Alright, so now that we have that out of the way, let me tell you what we are doing. This is a brand new year. This is 2021 and I'm sure सबने अपनी resolution list already बना ली होगी. मैं actually अभी अपनी resolution list बनाने वाली हूँ, but I know मेरे resolution list के top पे है अपना घर declutter करना. So I have been living in this house for 2 years and eventually सब कुछ इधर उधर हो गया है. जब भी मैं अपने घर में कहीं भी देखती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पूरा घर बिल्कुल क्लटर हो रखा है. हर जगह सामान पड़ा हुआ है, मेरा सामान majorly, because I have too much of it. So this year I have decided to declutter every single wardrobe, every single drawer and every single room of my house because honestly it was stressing me out. So मैंने सोचा है कि मैं अपने लाइफ का हर एस्पेक्ट डिक्लटर करूंगी, फ्रॉम क्लोथ, शूज, बैग्स, मेकअप, किचन एंड ऑल द थिंग्स. सो आई विल बी होपफुली गोइंग through everything with you guys in this particular series, and we are today starting with my clothes because I have too many clothes and of course I'm not complaining. Thank God for everything that I have, but my profession is such that I get a lot of clothes as gifts because I collaborate with different brands and मैं ये काम पिछले 6-7 साल से कर रही हूँ. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मेरे पास आई हैं, मैंने शूट में पहनी है और उसके बाद मैंने नहीं पहनी है और वो रखी हुई है. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैं ओवर एंड ओवर पहनती रहती हूँ बिकॉज बाकी सारी चीज़ें विजिबल नहीं है. So I realized that maybe the system in which things are organized in my house is not right. So what we will do in this series is कि जो भी चीज़ें मुझे लगता है अब मेरे स्टाइल की नहीं है या चीज़ें ऑलमोस्ट न्यू है, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पहन रही हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट रिड ऑफ देम. आई विल डोनेट देम टू पीपल जो कि आई नो उस चीज़ का बेटर यूज़ करेंगे. यू नो मेरे घर में बंद पड़े रहने से बेटर ये कि कोई और उनका अच्छा यूज़ कर ले. उससे ये होगा कि एटलीस्ट उन लोगों का अच्छा यूज़ के लिए सामान मिल जाएगा, मुझे वो स्पेस मिल जाएगी और जो भी चीज़ें मैं यूज़ करना चाहती हूँ वो चीज़ें मुझे दिखेंगी एंड आई विल बी एबल टू पुट माई आउटफिट्स टुगेदर more easily and मुझे कपड़ों के पहाड़ नहीं दिखेंगे पूरे अपने घर में. So that is a very important thing. Also I do not know if you guys believe, but I do believe in feng shui and it is not good to have so much clutter in the house. It really is very heavy on my mind and that is why I am starting this series in the new year. I want to start fresh and let's hope we end up doing this together. I really want to do my entire house. In preparation for this series, I started doing it back in September. So there are a few clips in this video where I'm wearing shorts and t-shirts because गर्मी से मैं धीरे धीरे कर रही हूँ and जब भी कुछ बीच में आता है वो प्रोसेस रुक जाता है and then I start all over it again. So you might see a lot of older clips as well. When it comes to arranging, I have a lot of drawers and you'll see in the before and after I have drawers and I was not using it wisely. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Marie Kondo method. Of course, मैं हर चीज़ को देख के पूछने नहीं वाली हूँ that if it sparks joy, but we will be using her folding technique and also जो चीज़ as I said I'm not using, I'll be happily donating it. And yeah, I think so. Let's get started. I hope इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के एंड में जो आफ्टर्स होंगे वो बहुत सेटिस्फाइड होंगे. तो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. हियर आई एम इन वन ऑफ द बेडरूम्स व्हिच हैज एसेंशियली टर्न्ड इनटू अ डंपिंग ग्राउंड फॉर माय क्लोथ्स एंड मेकअप. सो लेट मी गिव यू एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ हाउ थिंग्स आर. So as you can see, I have a gadda right here and over the course of a few months all the clothes have kind of piled on here. I have a mix of new clothes, some loungewear, a lot of winter wear which I had no place for in my wardrobe. Then I have a lot of like random stuff here. Then we come towards this side. Here we have my main 2 wardrobe. So this one has my everyday clothes and this one right here has all my traditional clothes, lehengas, and I also have my winter wear which is like into these vacuum bags right here. My problem is that I don't have a bed box, so all my clothes are in these cupboards, but clearly I don't have enough space. Also we'll just show you that I have a lot of clothes packed into these bags as well, and this is definitely not the way that I want to live. This has never happened to me before, but I want to get control of my clothes. So we are going to declutter everything, arrange everything. I will try the Marie Kondo method. So let me show you how my drawers are looking and then we'll come back with a nice after, hopefully. Okay, so please don't judge me guys. Here is how my wardrobe is currently looking. As you can see, I have this top shelf which clearly you cannot use every day, so I try to keep all the excess things like the size and stuff like that this has gone crazy. I used to have my bags nicely kept in these shelves, these three. They have gone everywhere. I used to have my dresses hanging. I clearly have a lot of dresses. A lot of them are here as well. So that is that. Under here, we used to have a good collection of jeans. I need to declutter that as well. Then I'm going to show you how my drawers are looking. This is how my drawer is looking. I used to have them stacked in piles, and that system does not work for drawers. So I'm going to try the Marie Kondo right here, hopefully. So it's difficult to use. Here are the drawers. This is still okay, and here is where I try to organize. As you can see, I have this organized. I did it a few months back and then I ran out of time. So we are going to organize this cupboard, and I'll try and accommodate whatever I have in these two, and also have one more cupboard in a different room which I'll show you. Okay, so this is my second wardrobe. As you can see, I have a lot of my traditionals, some of my coats, and some of my dresses as well. So the reason I have my coats there is because मुझे dresses टांगने थे and there was no space, so I pulled out coats. So yeah. Then I have these drawers. These are essentially not organized. So we moved in this house 2 years back. And तब मेरे पास जितने traditionals थे मैंने यहाँ रख दिए. So I plan on moving these because of course you don't need all these traditional clothes every day. So yeah, this is traditional stuff. As you can see, I have a lot of saris and lehengas right here. So I'm planning to use these drawers for my shoes, like shoes that I wear currently. This is all my winter wear in Ziploc baggies. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to dust it and maybe move it somewhere else because I want to keep this stuff here now and same winter stuff. Okay, so that is essentially most of my clothes. Not all of them. They have one more cupboard of clothes which I'm just going to show you, and then we will go and organize. That's in a different room, so let me show you. Alright, so we are in the second room and we have two wardrobes here as well. This is all my husband's, and this one is a little bit of his, a little bit of mine, and a little bit of like ghar ka stuff like chadars and towels and stuff like that. So I'll show you what all I have here, and then we start pulling our stuff from the closets. Okay, so you can see I have a few piles of clothes here as well. These are basically मेरे घर के कपड़े जो मैं almost daily में पहनती हूँ, या वो कपड़े जो भी I know के आए हैं मैंने settle नहीं किया है. Top पे again we have all the chadars and stuff like that. Here we have towels and my husband's t-shirts. This is a very random miscellaneous drawers of undies which needs to be organized because there's a lot more stuff in there. This has, it's almost empty. I don't know why I'm wasting space. I must just use it for shoes. Here I have the chadars which I plan on moving into a different like a guest bedroom, and here also have chadars, so I plan on moving them. Okay, so now you've seen all the mess. Let's get it all together. First thing I'm going to do is pull things out. और मैं सब कुछ एक बार में नहीं निकाल रही हूँ because I don't want to get overwhelmed. So I'm just going to start by pulling out everything from my drawers. This one has basically my crop tops. So I think there's no right way of doing it. I will just pull everything out and take it to a different room. More tops. Okay, so I have my first pile of clothes here. I think I've emptied out like 2 drawers. So पहले मैं देखूंगी कि इनमें से मुझे क्या क्या रखना है. Let me show you. So this is my pile of clothes. So I'm going to see कि मुझे इसमें से क्या क्या रखना है, क्या क्या लाइक मैं डोनेट कर सकती हूँ, क्या क्या ऐसा कुछ है जो कि कोई और कोई फ्रेंड, कोई सिस्टर, कोई मतलब माई मॉम कैन एन्जॉय. सो आई जस्ट पास इट ऑन टू देम. सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू एक्चुअली गो थ्रू ऑल दिस, एंड उसके साथ साथ ही आई एम गोइंग टू फोल्ड देम इन द मैरी कॉन्डो मेथड बिकॉज उससे मैं सब कुछ देख पाऊँगी. सो लेट मी जस्ट स्टार्ट एंड आई विल शो यू व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. And now starts the long process of sorting out through tops. I'm literally going to go through each top, bralette, whatever is in my hand, and I'm going to see कि ये मैं आगे पहनूंगी कि नहीं पहनूंगी, लास्ट टाइम मैंने कब पहना था. एंड वाइल आई एम डूइंग दैट मैं ऑल्सो सॉर्ट आउट कर रही हूँ कि कौन सा टॉप कौन से स्टाइल का है, सो दैट आई नो कि मुझे कौन से टॉप्स पहले तय करके कहाँ लगाने हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी मैंने एक पाइल बना रही है फैंसी टॉप्स का, एक बना रही हूँ फुल स्लीव्स के टॉप का, और एक मैंने कॉर्नर में पाइल बनाया है जो कि है डोनेशन टाइप के टॉप्स का. आई डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स, एज आई सेड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ माई प्रोफेशन. और ये जैसे जो टॉप मैंने नीचे रखा है, ये वो टॉप है जो मुझे फर्स्ट few years of my blogging में आया था, आई वुड से 5 साल पहले. इट फिट्स मी नाउ बट इट्स अ लिटिल स्नग. तो ये सारे टॉप्स ऑलमोस्ट न्यू हैं और ये सब मैं डोनेट करने वाली हूँ, कुछ मेरी मेड्स को, कुछ मेरी मॉम की मेड्स को, एंड सबकी डॉटर्स वगैरह को, सो दैट एवरीथिंग गोज़ टू अ गुड प्लेस और जो मेरी चीज़ें हैं वो अच्छी यूज़ हो सकें. एंड यहाँ मेरा हस्बैंड आ गए हैं मुझे दिखाने के लिए कुछ फ़ोन पर, like a strange, I'm sure, reel or something. And here I am sipping my coffee and getting back to business, which is organizing and decluttering. So yeah, I think I'll be doing the same thing for quite some time. एंड ऑनेस्टली ये काम इतना बोरिंग है, बट ये इतना ज़्यादा ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था कि मैं कई बार रात को सो रही होती थी तो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा होता था कि यार डिक्लटर करना है, हाउस इज़ लुकिंग अ मेस, एंड इट जस्ट ब्रिंग्स यू डाउन. सो ये करना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी था. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग, जब भी मैं कपड़े पहनती थी आई रियलाइज मैं हमेशा वही 4 कपड़े पहन रही हूँ. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि पूजा यार यू हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स, अगर फिर भी मैं वही 4 कपड़े पहन रही हूँ दैट मीन्स देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. सो वट एवर वॉज नॉट माई साइज, नॉट माई स्टाइल, और वट एवर आई डिड नॉट want, I am giving out, and that is me scratching my toes for some reason. Anyhow, so we just move on. एक तरफ बंडल में स्पेगेटीज हैं, एक तरफ फैंसी टॉप्स, एक तरफ नॉर्मल घर वाले टॉप्स. एंड जब भी मैं स्ट्रेस्ड होती हूँ मैं हमेशा अपने लिप्स च्यू करती हूँ, तो आपने देखा होगा भी, दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग. सो एनी हाउ आई विल कीप डूइंग दैट. वंस एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके सो अब ये सॉर्टिंग हो गई है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द मैरी कॉन्डो मेथड्स ऑफ फोल्डिंग क्लोथ्स. आई रियलाइज कि ड्रॉर्स में ना सीधे सीधे कपड़े रखने से कपड़े दिखते नहीं हैं, एंड बाय दिस मेथड ये आप अपने सारे क्लोथ्स देख सकते हैं. सो आई ट्राई डूइंग दैट फॉर माई हस्बैंड, दैट एक्चुअली रियली वर्कड आउट. सो इस तरह से आप स्टैक करेंगे ना क्लोथ को तो आपको दिखेगा आपके पास क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. एंड डूड इसमें इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगा बिकॉज सारे कपड़ों को एक बार में बैठ के तय करना, ओ माई गॉड. बट एक बार अब जब मैंने कर लिए हैं तो मुझे इतना ईजी लग रहा है. नाउ आई एम एक्चुअली यूजिंग ऑल दीज क्लोथ्स. मैंने सालों सालों में कपड़े देखे नहीं थे एंड मैं ढूंढती रहती थी और उस चक्कर में ड्रॉर्स और ख़राब हो जाते थे. बट दिस वे आई एम एक्चुअली एबल टू सी एवरीथिंग, आई एम एबल टू यूज़ एवरीथिंग, एंड इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. तो मैंने बहुत सारा टाइम लगा के अपने सारे कपड़ों को मैरी कॉन्डो मेथड से तय किया. एंड वंस यू गेट द हैंग ऑफ इट, इट गेट्स ईजियर, बट स्टिल थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता ही है. So I'm going to be doing that for everything that you see on screen. And okay, so I have been sitting here folding clothes I think for almost 1 hour, and I think I have few more hours to fold all these clothes which are already in my cupboard. So I think I will see you guys once I have everything folded of the top category. So here are few of the tops that I have folded, and rest of them are in the living room. So now we're going to just go to the closet, clean it out, lay some nice white paper, and I think I'll settle these. Okay, just to show you, here are rest of my tops. So I'm going to just settle them in. My clothes fold करके drawers में रखती जाऊँगी, and before finally closing this project, we will go in one more time and rearrange whatever is like in a different place. I know it's going to take more time, but इससे at least मैं अपने आप को overwhelm करके नहीं सोचूंगी कि oh my god I have so much to do, कैसे होगा. So yeah, I'm just going to settle in the tops and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the drawer, and as you can see इसमें already chart paper लगा हुआ है. So I always use a white chart paper. And ओके सो ये है मेरी फर्स्ट ड्रॉर. एज यू कैन सी इसमें ऑलरेडी चार्ट पेपर लगा हुआ है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव इट एंड अच्छे से कॉलिन या फिर कोई और सोल्यूशन से. दिस बॉटल एक्चुअली डज नॉट हैव कॉलिन. इसमें मैंने विनेगर और रबिंग अल्कोहल एंड वाटर का मिक्स बनाया हुआ है, एंड ये मैं हमेशा यूज़ करती हूँ टू क्लीन माई एंटायर हाउस. इट एक्चुअली सैनिटाइजेज ऑल द सर्विसेज एंड मेक श्योर इट्स फ्री ऑफ जर्म्स. इससे कोई भी सिल्वर फिश और कोई कीड़ा भी नहीं आता है. सो उससे मैंने अच्छे से ड्रॉर्स क्लीन कर लिए, और मैं हर बार रादर देन न्यूज़पेपर आई ऑलवेज यूज माई चार्ट पेपर्स. इससे बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन फीलिंग आती है, और ऑल्सो स्पेसेस बहुत बड़े लगते हैं. सो मैंने वो किया, एंड देन आई एम स्प्रेइंग माई परफ्यूम. आई नो दिस लुक्स अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा, बट हम सबके पास एक ऐसा परफ्यूम ज़रूर होता है जो कि बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, तो मैं उसको इस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड एक्चुअली मेक्स माई. Okay, and finally we are on the stage of putting all these folded tops away. I have 3 rows ready, so I think I'm going to try them. Oh, slip back. Putting in the first drawer. Just start with my t-shirts. And finally comes the fun part. You can now arrange all the clothes, और मैं इसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही हूँ in rows. तो पहली रो is t-shirts, some basic t-shirts and some things that I actually reach out for quite a lot. And उसके आगे मैंने लगाए हैं थोड़े loose peasant style tops, and also t-shirts are overflowing in this row. So जैसे भी आपको सही लगे आप अपने tops को लगा लीजिए. I try to always go by the style, जिससे कि जो style मुझे चाहिए हो मैं उसी रो में जाऊँ. बट आप फ्यूचर में देखेंगे कि इवेंचुअली थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो ही जाता है, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स यू गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस प्लेस, राइट. सो आप उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ लुक्स के लिए स्ट्रेटन अप नहीं रख सकते. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर इट्स फंक्शनल एज वेल. सो या अब मैं ऐड करी अपने सारे फैंसी ऑफ शोल्डर और यू नो थोड़े से party style tops, and I will just keep putting in my tops, and you can see कितना neat, clean and अच्छा लग रहा है. It actually looks like all the drawers in the showrooms. जैसे होता है ना जब आप जाओ आपको fresh pieces निकाल के देते हैं, they open up the drawers. It is actually very nice, and yeah, so I'll just keep doing that. The row on left is my crop tops and also smaller spaghettis and things like that you need for layering. And I think I'll just go ahead, fill up the drawer, and I'll show you in the end how it looks like. At the moment, all I can say is it's really, really satisfying to see everything come together. Okay, so first 2 drawers are almost done. Here are all my tops. Not all, but most of them are here. So this line is essentially crop tops. Now again, this is also crop tops. These are little fancier tops that I like to wear. Spaghetti sleeves. This check top of mine and other tops that I wear when I'm going out. Between this row and this row I had a bit of space, and it was very difficult to stuff anything, but I decided to keep my like these tank tops and racerbacks and bodysuits, which you really need for layering. So that is here. Then we have our t-shirts, mainly t-shirts that I wear quite a lot, so I've kept it very, very useful. Okay, so this is how the drawer is looking. You can actually see everything very, very easily. And here's the second drawer. Now this is not as perfect because I'm still working on it. These are my full sleeves tops. I don't have a lot because I generally wear half sleeves and I wear a cardi over it. So my full sleeves top, some shirts. These are the tops that I don't wear as much. Either they're too thick or I'm just not reaching out for these one at the back, so they're at the back. These one are my thicker tops. I'll reach out for them in the winter season. These again are some summer tops that I don't wear as much. I've kept it in the second drawer. And these 3 are chicken tops. I'm not wearing it right now. Okay, so now I'm going to pull out my bottoms from here because I don't want them to be reachable as much as possible. So we'll pull out all the bottoms that we have, and I found no tops. Just shift a few tops that I don't need if I need more space, but right now they're here. And now we'll work on the other things. Okay, so I'm in my other room, and here also we have a lot of bottoms. So I'm just going to pull out the bottoms. Alright, so here are all my jeans and a few of my leggings folded nicely. I will be keeping all these in drawers because they fit me well. And here are a few, like 3 jeans that I think don't fit me. I'm just going to try them. They're too small and I don't really want to keep them in drawers because of course I can't use them. Okay, so let's take all these to the new home. So we'll try and fit whatever we can in this particular drawer. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the second drawer, and I am trying to arrange all my denims and things like that in this drawer, like the half of it. I was thinking that maybe I can use the last 2 drawers for my shoes, seasonal shoes. So I decided to put most of my denims here, and I was just checking कि खुल रहा है और drawer बंद हो रहा है कि नहीं. But while I was doing it, I realized that I have too many tops जो कि पूरे घर में भी scattered होंगे. वो मैं कहाँ रखूँगी? Also I have leggings and skirts. तो मैंने realize किया कि ये system तो नहीं work कर पाएगा. And I decided to move all these things out and give them their own drawer, which you'll see just in a bit. So here I am moving everything in the third drawer. इसको मैं सारे अपने bottoms का drawer बनाऊंगी right now because अब मैं decluttering ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. I'll have to say कि ये drawer enough नहीं है. I need one more place. एक वो होता है ना catch all kind of a thing. तो वो मुझे चाहिए. But इसमें मैंने अपने most जितने भी bottoms हैं, I have hardly any trousers, but I have a few of them here. My denims, leggings, skirts. I've tried to put most of the things here, and it actually worked out pretty well. So this is what I'm arranging right now. और ये सब करते करते I realize कि वीडियो बहुत ही लंबा हो गया है. So मैं इस वीडियो को यहीं पर ख़त्म कर रही हूँ with the organization of my third drawer. It is already I think over 20 minutes long, and I don't think I should stretch it anymore. So next video I'll show you how I reorganize other things like bags and stuff in my wardrobe. In this video we have already organized 3 drawers, which were the main drawers. So I'll just show you a little bit of how they were looking before. My god, it was very difficult to even open and close them. And this is how they're looking right now. Very neat, clean, tidy, and amazing to look at. So here is today's video. I'll be doing a part 2. I'll show you how everything is looking after everything is done. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.